Get your QR code for your discount needs. Get yours via WhatsApp today for exclusive offers on all thatching and construction services.
Die Jappie is afgebreek hier, nog het is repair vandag. Dus jullie kan zien is hy baie gedamaged. Dus die hele ding gaan we voor gauw een videootje maken, dat je kan zien hoe lyk hy reg rondom. Ik is nou van de oggend af al hier 7 o'clock. En die jappie gaat dus ook uitbreek, die jappie daar gaat dus ook uitbreek. En daar is die aan wat ik nou net voltooi het. Hy is nou net klaar. Hy was zelf heel gedamaged. En daar is hy mooi gedoen.
And now a word from our sponsors. Randall Brown Thatching Services is proud to launch a spectacular 15% off to all clients.
Randall Brown Thatching Services, construction and maintenance repairs. Superior Thatch Masters is proud to launch a spectacular 15% off.
Randall Brown Thatching Services specialises in all aspects of construction and maintenance repairs, from new thatch roof installations to complete rethatching projects.
Randall Brown Thatching Services, construction, maintenance, repairs and installation. For more information, you can find us on WhatsApp and Facebook.
Visit Randall Brown Thatching Services for all your construction and maintenance repairs. Scan the QR code or message us on WhatsApp for a discount.